How my powder didn't get put in the bag. That's so freaking awesome. Pig for it.
Let's see, 1, 2. So I'm just trying to show, there's so much to show, and it's all down to, as you've seen, like the nail pattern on these things. It's a whole beach resort that I've learned how to do this stuff. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of a flavor for what I can do. This is just one of the cottages, and I have a whole library of different cottages. That's the 4-bed, 4-bath. I got 2-bed, 2 baths. Jim and I, we did this very meticulously and specifically so that they can be a component build. Like this wall is to be built on a trailer so that it can then be lifted into place. And we actually came up with a sequence for these houses to be built so that this is something that would be shipped in and then lowered in with a crane. Same thing with the outside walls. They're lifted in with a crane because, as you can see, these are center line match, tongue and groove. These are 4x6. These are 6x6 in the corners, I think. This is what we call the bones, the skeleton, all the door frames, window frames. Everything is very specific and custom. So I have all the details here to build this resort. Again, all the way down to the nail patterns on it, so it's pretty cool. And this was the staircase that I did. This is the guy that I work with right now. I designed these stairs. This is how I met Jerry. So coming up with what to put in the walls. That is what goes in the wall component, 4x4 posts. I drew all this from scratch. These are all pieces that I modeled and rendered on my own. Even the standoff pins for the glass. These are all spec'd out for what would exist in the real world. Exact to dimensions. So hopefully that can kind of show you how detailed I'm capable of getting. And even the treads, all the code. You got your steel plate, you got your wood nailer, you got your finished wood trimmed all the way around the outside. Even these standoff plates, everything had to be specifically cut correctly so that I could then ship this drawing off to get cut exactly so that they could build the stairs. So that's a little bit of a quick showcase for how I made, and all this was structural engineer stamped and approved. So I have some professional experience with the architectural. I'm going to go ahead and send you. Oh, and by the way, this is all on the Peninsula Beach Resort, penbeachresort.com, and you can see you can go through and see all the stuff that I would be able to break apart piece by piece, but I don't want to make this video too long. So feel free to go to penbeachresort.com. These are all renderings, all from my computer. All the videos are from my computer. I manage the website. The Zoo Beach Bar was the first one being built. These are my renderings that they were using to work towards this was going to be the first establishment. These are some videos that they got me a drone to fly and do construction update videos. So if you guys ever also wanted some kind of a drone shot highlight reel, I can also do that. I fly the drone and I edit the videos. I can do all this from my laptop. And this is the zoo. Again, I could go and show you how the zoo's to be put together, because that is another model that I have on my computer. So from SketchUp to actual build, I have some experience with the architectural. I would love to get zoomed in on some components for whatever you guys have if you want. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it there because I won't know where to stop. And hopefully that with a quick a PDF of the stairs that I built for